Hi, I'm Jess, down here in the left-hand side of your screen. I'm just here today to explain to you how to use our new health journal from Melon. So this is for the desktop version of Melon. If you click on the health journal on the bottom of your screen, you'll be taken to one of these pages where you can select your sleep and track it, what's happening each day, and then head into the charts section to see what's happening over time. It can be really good to see what's going on over a long period of time. You can click onto activity and track your activity each day, the amount of minutes you spend exercising, and any notes. They can be positive or negative notes. And then see what you've been doing again over a long period of time. You can also click on your feelings and see where your energy levels are at, how your hunger's going, and what your mood's like for that day. Adding again any notes that you feel are relevant. The only people that can see this information is yourself and your coach. So be honest with yourself. Then you can really make those changes that you need to make. You can add your body measurements over time here, measuring your waist, adding your weight, and again any notes that you feel are relevant. Saving each time you go. In the food diary, you can type the name of your meal. You can add a photo, uploading it from your phone or your computer. And you can again add any notes about the way that you served it, how it tasted, how it made you feel, anything that you think is relevant. You can add in any medical notes that come up as you go. And if you go into settings, you can change which comes up on your screen and what doesn't, simply by clicking. You can also connect this to your Fitbit or any other apps you would like to, but there is another tutorial on that. Okay, enjoy the new health journal.